You're scrolling through your social media feed late at night. There it is. A sleek little device that promises to hold your entire childhood in the palm of your hand. They claim it has 15,000 games preloaded and ready to go for a price that seems almost impossible. Your brain starts doing the math. That is less than a penny per game. It feels like a total steal. But when you start digging into the reality of the GameLab handheld, that steal starts to feel a whole lot more literal. It is like walking into a carnival and seeing a game that looks easy to win, only to realize the booth is actually a cardboard cutout. The gap between the shiny ads and the actual user experience is massive. If you head over to the gaming subreddits or check the latest reviews on independent sites, you will find a graveyard of frustrated customers. A huge number of people report that they ordered their unit weeks or even months ago and have seen absolutely nothing. They refresh their tracking page until their fingers hurt. The status never moves. It is stuck in some mysterious shipping limbo halfway across the world. Then they try to contact customer service. That is when the real red flags start waving. Emails go completely ignored. Support tickets vanish into a digital void. It is a classic case of a company that is very good at taking your money. They are very bad at actually providing a product or any kind of help. It is the digital equivalent of being ghosted after a first date, except this date took your cash first. Some people do eventually receive a package, but the excitement quickly turns into disappointment. The device feels light and hollow in your hands. The plastic is thin. The buttons click with a cheap, metallic sound that tells you this thing was not built to last. When they turn it on, the screen is washed out. The menu system is a total mess. Many of the advertised titles are just duplicates or broken files that will not even launch. It becomes clear very quickly that these are just generic, low-end handhelds bought in bulk. They are rebranded with a flashy logo and a heavy markup. This is the dark side of the dropshipping world. You are paying a huge premium for a fancy marketing campaign while the actual hardware is bottom of the barrel. The lack of transparency is truly staggering. A real electronics brand stands behind their product. They provide updates. They fix issues. They do not just go silent the moment the transaction is complete. Sure, you might find a few people who got a unit that works okay for basic play, but is it really worth the risk? You are basically gambling with your hard-earned money. There are so many reputable options in the retro gaming space right now that actually offer quality parts and real support. You do not have to fall for the nostalgia trap. If a deal looks this good on a random social media ad, your alarm bells should be ringing at full volume. Do your research. Read the reviews that are not sponsored by the company. Use a payment method that offers strong buyer protection. This whole situation is a perfect example of why you should always be skeptical of the next big viral gadget. Your memories of playing those old games are precious. They are not worth getting ripped off for. Keep your wallet in your pocket. Look for a device that actually delivers on its promises instead of just selling you a dream that turns into a logistical nightmare. It is better to have 50 games that actually work on a solid device than 15,000 broken files on a piece of plastic that might never arrive in the mail. Be smart and stay cautious out there.